How to get started with futures trading. Hey there, my broheim. Are you pumped to learn how to get your feet wet in the wild world of futures trading? Buckle up because Ryan's got the scoop on how to dive headfirst into this high-stakes game. Listen up, fellas, if you're looking to take your crypto game to the next level, futures trading is where it's at. But before you start throwing your hard-earned dough around, you gotta understand the lay of the land. Lucky for you, I'm here to break it all down, from A to Z. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Futures trading is all about speculating on the future price of a particular asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. You're basically making a bet on whether the price is gonna go up or down, and if you play your cards right, you can make a killing. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Ryan, isn't that super risky? Well, my dude, you ain't wrong. Futures trading is definitely not for the faint of heart. But if you know what you're doing, the potential rewards are off the charts. One of the biggest advantages of futures trading is the leverage it offers. Essentially, you can control a much larger position than you'd be able to with your own cash. This means you can potentially score bigger wins, but it also means you can get burned harder if things go south. Speaking of getting burned, let's talk about the risks. Futures trading is a high-stakes game, and you gotta be willing to lose some serious cash if things don't go your way. Volatility is the name of the game, and you gotta be prepared for some wild swings. But hey, if you're the type who gets a thrill out of living on the edge, futures trading might just be your jam. Just remember to do your homework, understand the risks, and always use stop-loss orders to limit your downside. Now, where can you get started with all this futures trading madness? Well, my friend, I've got just the place for you, Binx. This crypto exchange is a total powerhouse when it comes to futures trading, and they've got lightning-fast execution speeds to boot. Here's the kicker: when you sign up for Binx using the referral code 911, you'll unlock a whole slew of sweet perks. We're talking beginner-friendly tutorials, advanced trading tools, and even some juicy bonuses to fatten up your trading stack. So, what are you waiting for, my dude? Hop on over to Binx, use that referral code 911, and get ready to dive headfirst into the world of futures trading. Trust me, once you get a taste of that sweet volatility, you'll be hooked for life. Don't forget to check out the video below for all the juicy details.